Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Mo. Welcome to Recipes and Mo. I appreciate you coming back for another episode. This one is gonna be quick and summery. Well, that's sweet. So what we're making is we're making another Moroccan salad that is very famous and very common in Morocco. We usually eat it with fish, and also we usually eat it in the summer because of the ingredients that we use. This is gonna be a beets salad. In Morocco, we buy the beets, we boil them, peel them, cut them, and we make the salad. We don't have the beets in a can. So the beets kind of sweet, and I love how beets taste. And what we do in this salad, we use lime as a dressing. And the lime is kind of citrusy, so it's kind of that, it's very yummy or combination. So for the salad, you're gonna need beets, you're gonna need parsley, chopped garlic, lime, olive oil, salt and pepper. That's all that's gonna need. It's very easy, very fast salad. People love it. I usually serve it when I have guests over. I'll serve it with my potato salad. You can go back and watch the video for my potato salad. It's in the channel. That's very easy to make as well. And it's nice too with the colors. One is white, one is red. It looks super nice if you're serving a Moroccan dish. You're serving a nice fish, fried fish. It goes very well with the big fried fish. So I hope you're gonna like it. Very easy, and I'll show you right now how to make it. You're gonna need, of course, beets. Boil them, peel them, and cut them any way you want. I'm using 2 pounds of beets. I use 6 cloves of garlic. Parsley for the beets. I use about a half tank of parsley. I chop it very thin. I use lime, a whole lime. If you like, you can use more or less. You can use it to taste, depending on your taste, but I use a whole lime. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, salt and pepper to taste. Very simple, very citrusy and yummy salad. You can serve it in the summer. We serve it in the summer a lot. There we go. There's your salad.